The Romantic poet William Wordsworth wrote, "Sweet is the lore which nature brings. Our meddling intellect misshapes the beauteous form of things. We murder to dissect." That was way back in the late 1700s. Today, so many years later, many of the ideas of those Romantic poets are coming forward again in the environmental movement. Now for me, the environmental idea was first introduced when I was in high school, when I was told about the book Silent Spring by Rachel Carson. In that book she talked about the danger effects of DDT and other pesticides, and society has moved so far forward with improving that. Today, as you can see, we're getting organized. It's Earth Day, and we're getting organized to go out and do a community cleanup of the whole area. It's part of Lakefield's overall commitment to the environment, and it is one of the things that we think we do pretty well, and that we want to make a big part of this school in the future. Now, I'm a big believer in science. I think science can solve many of its own problems, but I also think that if we're really going to convince people of the importance of the environment, we need to work from the heart. We need to go back and look at those ideas that were expressed by the Romantic poets back in the late 1700s when they were challenging some of the terrible things that were happening to their world through the Industrial Revolution. Hope you'll enjoy reading Wordsworth's poem, which is on this blog page as well. Thanks for joining us this week. Let's just imagine I was just finished using this and I decided to just drop it like that. What would be going on? Oh, hi girls. Thank you very much. Is there any real difference between me dropping that garbage, having to pick it up, and us burning all kinds of carbon, which goes up into the atmosphere and changes the climate of the globe? It's all the same thing. Don't drop garbage. Don't put carbon in the atmosphere.